You bring your work clothes, my youth?
Yo, 12:30. Bombukla. At 11:30, man. What time is it?
11:30, you said Bushman, 11:30 now.
Fucking 12, my youth.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.
Never sleep. Where you come from, me no care.
Wagwan. So we just come link up Roger. And him have a work party. Or Christmas party, or whatever you call it, but I didn't know January now. I will just come link him up and I go Walmart to buy some ingredients, because I say I go make one Filipino dessert for bring God the party, you see? It's a quick little thing. I will floodlight I go. Yeah, man, they upon pants. Yo, right now if you care about that in the women's section, hey boy, bring back your pants! Crasses. That's why the woman can't find a jeans from with you. You live in a section. For you live in a section. The wrong section you live in, brother. That man tell you. Yeah, my people, so. Yeah, I wait for Raja and say my deal with. And then we go to Walmart and see. Yesterday you saw that where me, Alice and Jamir and Nana we go Neb's Fun, we're gonna have some fun, do some bowling and thing. You see it? Yeah, man. So I say thing work. I could see what I go on nice Sunday, you know? You're looking like Jackie Chan, bro.
Look at this shit, man.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I'm not afraid of them, man. You have your shoes look so. Huh? I'm afraid of live, brother. Come in, youth. You bring your work clothes, my youth?
Yo, 12:30. Bombukla. At 11:30, man. What time is it?
11:30, you said Bushman, 11:30 now.
Fucking 12, my youth.
Oh, yeah, man, I'm Jamaican. I'm expected to be late.
No. Hell no. No.
Well, I expected to be like this is a Filipino time. If you said 12:30, expected to be late, 30 more
I'm
late.
expected to be late, youth. It's Jamaican time. Gang. Walmart first.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's working now.
Okay. So in Filipino time.
You tell him.
Okay, so in Filipino time, this is really, we got really bad habit.
Yeah.
If this one person, for example, if you're gonna meet someone at 11, they're gonna show up late, an hour late or 30 minutes. So what we do, if you wanna meet this person, like or something, you have event to go somewhere.
Yeah.
And then the calling time is 10. So tell them to be there at 9. They're gonna show up at 10. Not exactly the time.
Yeah.
This pussy-clad Filipinos, man. Sometimes it's sick.
So it's 11:30, but they wanted to go at 12. So
Yeah, man.
11:30.
I know,
and
yeah.
come 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yo!
I know you're thinking too, you know?
It's a Jamaican time, bro. I don't know. Is it a Jamaican thing? Whereas, yo, you see, me now, I see this. When they tell a white person 11 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock. I swear.
Oh yeah,
they're good for time, bro.
They're really strict on time, but
If you say 11, a white person is gonna be there for 11. Boom, that's sick. With the Jeep as the light. You see that shit, man? Man. Yeah, man, but for me still, I'm not gonna even say a Jamaican. Let me not say, but I think it's a Jamaican thing. Cause it's not just me. We'll say, yo, 2 minutes, man, 2 minutes. When you're like 15 minutes away, you see me? I'm up the street when you're like in Toronto.
or let's say, where are you? Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready now. You already changed, but you're just taking a shower.
Yo!
That's what literally asked, bro. Like,
Yeah.
literally.
It's a Jamaican thing, I guess. But I'm working on it, Virgin.
So last year, so my Christmas party was like calling time is 10 p.m. right?
Yeah.
I show up around 10:30. I'm like, where are you, Roger? Why is so late? Oh,
Everybody
shit.
was there,
I forgot that
Everybody
I'm
was early, you're late. Yeah.
Everybody's 5 minutes early, and I'm just late doing thing in the gym.
Yeah.
Left them before 10 o'clock
Them time
because I thought they're gonna be late, but I forgot that I'm the only Filipinos there,
Yeah,
bro.
I work with white people, you know, bro. They don't play with their times, bro. I need to adapt. That's the one thing I need to adapt. Better time management.
I need to change that too.
I can.
And shout out to the all Filipinos watching there.
Yeah. Big
Please.
up, big up.
Man,
Got you, mama.
we need
Got you.
we need to change our mindset in
But I guess that's
for
why.
being late or something like
No,
that.
but I guess that's why when I watch movies, a lot of white people may die first because they're always on time, even on time for their death.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Whereas a black person is always late, so they're the last one to die in a movie, you see? Because the killer expect you to show up at 11. The white person's gonna be there at 11, you see? Black person now, damn, they're late. So when they come and see you, they see the other person already dead, you have chance to escape, you see? Yeah. I guess you have it's good and it's bad, isn't it?
Yeah, we call it Filipino time. Like really, yeah.
You're running on Jamaican time.
So if you wanna be like go in an event, do not tell the exact time.
Yeah.
Go early as that, so that they're gonna show up and exactly on the time
that you actually want them. I read it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're there out there. Yo, me look clean like my beard about 7 times. What? Clean little guy, bro. You don't know the things yet. Come here, let me show you everything that you.
Right here.
Yeah, Alyssa always a cuss say when me a record, me hold the camera so. That's because me don't want to get up in a people's face with my camera. But when me hold up so anybody want to that hit. Because we are do it to Vlog Nation people, you see. So my man is all-purpose cream, which is carnation cream. You want condensed milk. Let me see if you have no condensed milk. That's a condensed, alright. I get him 2 just in case. So you get condensed milk. You want carnation milk now. Boss called carnation. What? They put sugar in a box now. Whenever I see this with people, they move the sugar from out of the bag now and have in a box like milk. New settings are gone, I never know about. One thing when you hold the camera still in your hand, hot you. Yo! You find it? Look what I do with my people. Good. I remember saying, you know, me and Jamie and Alyssa and Nana go out on the last vlog Saturday. And today on Monday. You see me? I look outside. I be a snow. John no star. So luckily for me, Alyssa will if you carry tomorrow, she'll go take Uber. You see me? Cause I have to drive Jamaica to school and it's a good little 15-minute walk in the hell of a snow, they see it. But one thing, so when you come on to me and Alyssa under one vehicle, it works. She know the type of fussy, me know the type of fuss. Sometimes more we say, yo, take your car. And she will say, yo, take your car. So we have a good understanding when we come on to the car. That's how we can use one car for so long. But yeah, so tomorrow now, we're going to go, so boom. Normally, I don't go to the gym till the evening, but I go to the gym twice tomorrow. So, remember the last time I made a video, I said me and Raja went into the gym, but the camera battery died and a bag of mix up. We're going to go into the gym at 9. So as soon as I drop off Jamaica school 8:30, I'm going to the gym with Raja for 9. Right now, at 1:48, I'm not too long upload the first vlog for 2020. We'll go do bowling, you guys saw that, isn't me? Yeah, I want to get the gains quicker. Gains are here, but I want to get them quicker. You see me? Yeah. So, I go hold asleep now. I have to up by 7 again. If you get Jamie ready up and everything for school. I drop my off school, I go to the gym and Raja in the morning. And then in the evening again. Around 6-7 o'clock, I go to the gym again. You see it? So, stay tuned. What I say, have a good night. I'm not know if I'm on night, but me I go sleep because me I am red. Me just done beard. Coconut oil down in nice body. I'm going to go to my bed. Me I take time to talk. I'm going to wake up nobody in the house. So yeah, big up. Jamie, free paper bun. Say free paper bun.
Free paper bun.
Yeah, man. You know what that mean? You know what that means?
No, I didn't hear that before.
Okay, I'm telling you now. That means all the time that you had to play for Christmas is over. It's time for school. So your free time is over. You see it?
Oh yeah, Biamba. Biamba.
Eat up, fam.
Okay, Biamba. The egg is so good. Daddy, I hope after school can you make me an egg sandwich? That's good.
Again?
Yep.
Aren't you?
No, this egg in the sandwich, I mean.
Yeah. I will, fam.
Okay.
That's what I eat to my people. You don't know gym life. I have my porridge with my blueberry and my you call the next something, yeah? Raspberry.
Well, I was gonna say raspberry.
And then I have my egg over here, so my bread.
What the whole time I
Jamira
was
eat
gonna...
egg
The whole
and
time
eat porridge. You know, like, wait, Jamira?
The whole time...
Jamira, you know, like blueberry and them things. So that's banana. Me a banana palm mine, of course. And some flaxseed then I eat and some hemp
eat
seed.
porridge now, because every time I just eat
Every time, not
a
time.
jam on cheese.
Alright, thank you, Father God, for this food.
You got God.
Come, eat the egg first before you get cold. I always eat the egg first, I get cold faster.
What happens if my teeth falls out?
Nothing. It's gonna grow back.
No, it's not. Your teeth are gonna be gone forever. Your teeth is gonna be gone forever. Because you have to wait for your teeth to come when you grow bigger.
If my teeth fall out, I won't get it back because I'm a grown up. But when your teeth fall out, you'll get it back. Because you're
No. When my teeth falls out, the tooth fairy will come. That's what I saw on Ryan on your phone. That's what happened. The tooth fairy came and then the tooth fairy got him money.
Sit down, Papa. Pick him for that one.
And then the tooth fairy got
Sit
him
down,
money.
Papa. Yeah. That's how you get back your teeth. Come, eat. Eat and talk to me. Buck, bang.
Big bang.
See, they mostly don't come for cheap, my people.
Yeah,
I've got my gym shirts from now.
cheap.
Again, I gym Raja.
Cheapy. Mom and Hannah fam. Bingam dude. The one in a dirty in free in a dirty. Mumbam da has to come here dirty. Ma and daddy. If you get me one porridge and one banana, that's gonna be so weird. That's so weird. If you want to do
We get
that.
a 1 spoon of porridge and 1 slice of banana.
Yeah, that's funny.
That's mean, bro.
Huh?
I couldn't do that to you.
That's so funny though.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna laugh if you do that. So funny.
That's what I should do to you. Alright. So, we are going to be introducing to you
It's gonna be
a very special addition to the family. He's been with us since December. Are you ready for them to meet your friend, Jamir?
Yeah?
What's your friend's name?
Who's it? Lindsay P?
Your friend. What's your friend's name?
Gavin.
Gavin. Alright, let's meet Gavin, people. Are you ready for everybody to meet your friend? Show them your friend. Show them. Ooh. Newest addition to the family, see? Jamir's Christmas gift, and Gavin's house lights up beautifully. You see the different lights in Gavin's house?
Yep. That's Gavin's
Yeah,
house.
fun, no?
Daddy, do you know why our fish died?
Why?
Because we didn't give him no food.
We?
Yeah, we didn't have no food for the fish. That's
No.
why he died.
The last fish that you had? Stop trying to expose people. You make a fish die, not me. Me never have no part for doing that fish.
What was the baby? I mean that fish died? What?
Look at this, my people.
Oh, so.
You put my alarm. Eat breakfast 7:30. You see that? Yeah. And that's what we're doing, bro. We're having breakfast, so the alarm is a little bit late. We're ahead of the alarm. Alright, my fam. I lock up this. Free paper bun. School time. Are you happy to go back to school now?
Yeah.
Alright, come.
Yeah.
Eat up your eggs, drink up your porridge, and let's do this, fam. Alright. Yes, see it, I'm there at the Kim, you see it? How this? You know, wake up yet, man? 9 a.m. you know, bro. Man, still I wake up. Red Bull, you say? I just go so boom and drop off Jamira school, so I go put in some work, you see? And so me there, I go reply to some of the comments from people. I go like up on the comment them. Just I watch your video, say Chubby, I big up yourself, Chubby. To get thing I like. Debbie, big up yourself. See Chubby, I comment more than once. I love it, I love it. Big up for people, let me see it. Shout out my comment squad, man. Big up. I go fight that person, Debbie or A bless me. I go fight a Jamir, not Gamir, yeah? Do I go fight? When I go love him, I give you a like for that. A like you get for Gamir. I know see my boss things, but big up yourself. Big up. Big up yourself, iconic. Can't reply to everybody right now. Big up yourself, studios, you see it? Man, get thick, see it there? Big up Rosemary. I go reply to you, look how much Chubby, I go jump up on the thing, you see it? I not sure I do, you know? Big up the people, you see me? I reply to you later, man, because I go in at the Kim now, you see me? Yeah,
okay, this man just struggling for this new kick, yeah man, look at that.
New kicks and all socks, bro. New kicks, all socks. Who this? That now look like a bushman.
Oh, you going construction, bro?
That person look like bushman.
You going construction?
Like a freaking bushman, bro. Come look like bushman. Bushman in our people them gym. Police. Pardon?
I don't think you're supposed to be videotaping in here.
Why not?
Privacy thing.
No, I'm not videoing you.
It doesn't matter. You're not supposed to
It
be.
does matter. I read about this stuff, yeah.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Stuff, yeah.
Okay, I'll go ask for.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. I'm not putting my camera on you now. Humble, how are you, man?
Light, man. That's it.
Yeah, I think it was a joke, eh?
man.
Get your youth happy life, happy life.